Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret Russom. If you're new to my channel, I personally want to say welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So I bring you guys on this channel motivational, health and fitness, beauty, and my family. So if you're interested in watching videos like that, and please come back every week. And so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So let's get into the program right now. So you guys, I'm so excited to have you back today. I am super excited because I'm gonna do something that I love, which is hair. I know you guys have been asking me to do a hair tutorial, which I am gonna be bringing you guys more, but today I purchased a wig online, so I want to do first impression and kind of show you guys it is synthetic. It's not human hair, but I never really purchased a synthetic wig from AliExpress, and that's where I got it. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I have the hair, so I love the color. I always stay into like dark hair, so this is not dark hair. I'm getting color, so I wanted to kind of look at it, kind of see my opinion on the hair, whether does it feel natural, does it feel unnatural. So it is synthetic, it's not human, but one of the fun things that I love as not just as a girl, is like I love changing my hairstyle, so hair color. So I like experimenting with different hairstyle. I go from long to short color, and especially this kind of color. It is fun. It's summer, spring, summer. It's getting light, so it's nice to experience with a different color. Anyways, I'm gonna open this hair. It came in a little plastic bag, obviously, and it also came with a little what is it called, stocking caps to use it. I'm gonna show that for you guys. And so this is the hair. It's packaged pretty nice, so I'm gonna take the hair net out, put that away. So this is what it looks like, and it has, we don't need that. And so, oh, the hair is pretty. Look at that. So it has like a highlight and kind of like white hair almost. Like it's not blonde, but it's like silver. I don't know how to describe it. Silver, right? But I've never had this kind of hair, this color, so I'm hoping that it looks pretty on me. I love the red tone, red color, like burgundy and stuff like that. Sometimes blonde hair washes me out, so I kind of don't do that well with blonde hair. So, but the fact that I love how dark the root is, it's always like nice to have that ombre. It fades away and then it gets lighter. But so far, I love the way it looks, and it feels really nice. The texture with synthetic hair, sometimes it's a hit and miss. So I'm gonna flip it open inside to show you guys what it looks like, the inside of it. So it looks like this. Obviously, it's with a bang on it, and so I like it. And it has a nice part in the middle, like you can see that. And the bangs, they look really good. So I hope it looks good on me. So I'm super excited. This has a number. I will also leave the link below this video where I got it, the whole information about this hair, if you guys are interested in. By the way, this is not sponsored, and I just love the style of the hair. So you don't have to purchase this hair, but if you need to get this hair, and they also have different colors, but I chose this hair. So they have darker, lighter, red colors, so whatever you would like. But I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. So I have my hair, obviously, and like just part in the middle. You can also cornrow your hair. My hair is actually wet. I just washed my hair not too long ago, so forgive me if you see water dripping. So my hair right here, what I'm gonna do is basically, I'm just gonna like kind of tie it like this in a bun, just to show you guys. And I'm gonna use this hair stocking. It's nice that it comes with it too, so it's great. All right, use that. And it's a lighter stocking, but that's okay. It's a bang, so you don't need to I don't need to have it darker or lighter. So I'm just gonna place this to protect my own natural hair, and like so. And so whenever I do my wig, especially synthetic hair, I've noticed that it's like hard on the edge of my hair. I feel, I don't know if you guys ever tried on a wig that is synthetic and it itches. So it itches my like the edge of my hair. So I like to put it a little bit down to kind of protect the edge of my hair, the hairline. Does it make sense? Right? So anyways, let's try it and see how this looks on me. All right. Oh, by the way, I also, let me take this off. So it has an adjustment to adjust the size of your head, basically, if you want it tighter or if you want it looser. So I'm gonna do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, this is the third loop here, like so, and I'm gonna do that here as well, like that. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So there you go, this little thing. And I'm gonna pop this on. So hold on a minute. Flip my head. Put my head down, not flip my. Okay. Here we go. That's what I get for having lipstick on. It sticks to. So I haven't even done anything to it yet, but I kind of like the hair color so far. I'm surprised. There is one thing that I wish this hair had, like this wig has, is like a comb. Usually a lot of wigs, especially synthetic or human hair, they have like a comb that you could just secure your hair. So this one doesn't have a comb. I'm surprised it doesn't have a comb. So what I'm gonna do is use a bobby pin to kind of secure the wig, even though it's a bang, but I like my wig to be secure because I don't wanna go walking and then my hair is gonna fly out, right? So anyways, hold on, I don't know how I feel about it yet. Hold on, let me get a bobby pin because it keeps slipping. Oh my goodness, I love it actually. It's definitely light. I'm not used to having light color, but it's not bad. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so here's the thing. Since it doesn't have a comb, you're gonna need a bobby pin. So I'm gonna like secure like in the side here. I don't know if you can see. You're just gonna kind of find a spot and then you're gonna just insert it to secure your wig. Oh, that feels much better already. You know, your girl, you need to be secure. You can't be having wigs running around the street. Like, where's my wig? Behind me. Especially with Delina, I could just see her pulling my hair. Wig out. Okay. So that feels so much better. So I just put 2 bobby pin, 1 at each side, since there is no comb with this wig, but the hair feels really good. I mean, you know, it's synthetic hair, so you cannot expect anything, but for synthetic hair, I actually love it. And this is a great way to just change your look, right? It's like, I don't know, I think I paid $30. I have to confirm the actual total. And it came really fast. That was one thing that I really like, because they send it maybe within a week. I got it when I ordered the hair. So I don't know. I like it. I think I like it. I think I like light hair color on me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like the hair? So let me show you how long it is. So this is how it looks in the back. I mean, this is great. This is a good way to change your look. This is a good way to like make it fun if you just needed like a quick change and you don't have time. I think that's the best part I love about wigs, are like you can just take them off and put them on and take them off anytime you want to. And also like One thing that I always used to stress my clients when I used to do hair is that to always protect your own natural hair, because underneath we want to grow our natural hair, we want to protect it, we want to always like have a healthy hair, right? So if you're gonna wear wigs, don't just like throw on wigs and not care about your natural hair, because it's key that you oil your hair, you wash your hair, you like braid it, whatever protective style that you want. Obviously, I just washed my hair, haven't braided my hair, but if I were to wear this wig again, and if I wear any other wig, I would always have my hair braided down. So that way it's, you know, it's also good because you don't want a poofy hair, right? It helps your style to be flat, your wig to be flat, more like a natural when you braid your hair versus not braided. So, but the key is to always protect your natural hair, even though you can wear wigs and or sew-ins and stuff. So, I think I love this hair. I don't know, you know, like sometimes you just gotta play with the hair, change your outfit, and kind of like love it. But it's not bad. Like it's different. But yeah, so I would say this hair, if I were to rate this hair, the quality of the hair is good. I would probably say like an 8.5, not a 10, because I feel like they need to do, well, actually I'll take it back. It could have been 10. I love the color. The color is really pretty. It's very different. And I love the way it feels. And I also love the bangs there. So the bangs are like amazing, because sometimes the bang could be like chopped off, but I like how it looks. And I can also pull it down if I want it more close to like my eyebrow to be covered. Excuse me. To be covered. So you can play alone. You can pull it back. You can pull it forward. Depends on like how you want to style it. But I really like this hair overall. I just wish it had like a comb to secure your wig. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of cool to have. When you have your braid, you could just pull it on. But obviously you could just put bobby pin to kind of hold it together. But I love the way it feels. It feels really nice, and it doesn't, like, it has a little bit of shedding, but it's like, you know, it's not like, it's natural hair, it's synthetic. So you could probably get a good use out of this. Maybe like if you wear it every day, obviously you might shed or might get tangled, but I don't know. This is good. So I can rock this. I think I can wear this. This is cool. I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? So let me know if you love this hair, if you love this kind of tutorial. Obviously, I have been told to bring you guys more hair videos, so I'm gonna do that more often, share with you guys how I take care of my natural hair, and also like, you know, wigs and hairstyle review and stuff like that. So yeah, I am gonna say, I'll give it a 9. Not a 10, because, you know, there's some stuff that's missing, like a comb and stuff. It would be nice. But yeah, this is good. This is a good hair. I like it. It's really fun. So yeah, I'm done. I don't know. This is different for sure. Anyway, so if you like this video, give thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, help your girl out, you know, and also share and like and tell your friends about it. And I bring you guys videos on things that I love, and Motivational Monday, Tigunya Tuesday, share with you guys about my culture, about who I am, my family, fitness, and health and beauty. In general, everything under the sun that I love, I will bring it to you guys, and hope that it helps this community we're building on YouTube. So I am all done for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.